Handang aksyonan agad ng kasalukuyang Senate leadership ang articles of impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte, oras na iakyat na ito sa kanila ng House of Representatives. Ayon kay Senate President Vicente Tito Soto III, ang interpretasyon niya sa salitang forthwith ay sa susunod na araw pagkatanggap ng articles of impeachment mula sa Kamara. Ito ay kahit pa nilinaw ng Korte Suprema kamakailan na ang terminong forthwith sa Article 11 Section 3.4 ng Constitution ay nangangahulugang sa loob ng reasonable o makatwirang panahon na maaaring mas matagal o mas maikli, depende sa mga sirkumstansya ng bawat kaso.
I think the Supreme Court decision is based on the petition. It is, hindi naman sumasaklaw yung decision niya sa trabaho ng Senado. It doesn't have anything to do with the work of the Senate. We're a co-equal of branch. That's why tama yung decision nila. Pero as far as that petition that was filed to them is concerned, not on the way the Senate is conducting itself.
But as far as
And in this case, if ever we do receive the articles of impeachment, we will act on it forthwith. Sa akin, ang forthwith, the following day.
Bukod dito ay binahagi din ng senador na nagpatawag siya kahapon April 30 ng All Senators Caucus kung saan napag-usapan nila ang mga hakbang na kanilang dapat gawin kaugnay ng impeachment.
Pinag-usapan lang namin yung mga possibilities. That's it. If we ever do receive the articles of impeachment, then we discuss the preparations that we need to do. Ganon. So, member naman ng minority present, so he is asked to relate to the other members of the minority suggestions. But again, all these suggestions and preparations, possibilities of timing is depending on whether the articles of impeachment reach the Senate. That's number one. And number two, if it does, then we will have to sit down officially to do that. Pati yung schedule na sinasabi namin na probabilities.
Samantala, bilang isa sa tatayong senator judges sa inaasahang trial sa Senado, patuloy ang ginagawang paghahanda ni Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Ping Lacson.
Ako, parang si SPL. Merong crash course sa full support, pati yung compilation of evidence. Yeah. Although, one of 24 senator judges lang ako.
Binigyang diin ni Senator Lacson ang importansya ng paghahanda kahit pa walang tiyak na araw kailan darating sa Senado ang articles of impeachment ni VP Duterte. Lalo na aniya at hindi lahat ng kasalukuyang mga senador ay may legal background at may karanasan sa pagsasagawa ng isang impeachment trial. Jed Neresina, humahataw sa balita ngayon.